Hello friends, you are watching adobic and welcome to our another video. Here we will learn how we can cut a hole in mesh object. Here you can watch we are creating a shape and then we will apply mesh to it. First we will take mesh tool and make 2 to 4 points in it. We will select all points and change color. You can put any color, we are selecting random color. We will change some point color to applying a mesh and showing mesh in it. Here you can watch our mesh is ready. And if I want to cut a hole in it, then we will select a circle and create on it. We will easily cut a hole in normal shape by going to Windows, Pathfinder and then back minus front option. But here you can watch we cannot cut a hole in mesh object. So how we can cut it? First we will select mesh object and then object path, offset path and fill 0 pixel here and click OK. Then we will select our mesh shape by clicking Alt, move it inside and then select our shape and we will go to Pathfinder and back minus front option. Then you can watch our shape is ready. Then we will align both of it and then go to object, clipping mask and make, and you can also use shortcut Ctrl 7 and then we will mask it. Here you can watch our mesh shape is ready with a hole in it. Thanks for watching.